Hello, this is Erin and I'm doing my student presentation today on session in PHP. Now, session is a superglobal variable. It's automatic. It's available in all scopes, so you don't need to put global variable before you can use session. So in that way, it's similar to get and post, where you can just use it and don't have to declare it beforehand. And session is a variable and it stores user data. And a cookie also stores user data, but a cookie will store it on the computer. Session will store it on the server. So that's a difference between those two. So let's now look at how we would use this. If we were on our model PHP page, we would start with our PHP, then session underscore start, open close parentheses, semicolon, and you would want this line to go immediately after PHP. You wouldn't want any code between. Now we can put session in brackets and single quotes name, and we will set it to a relative piece of information. So Jack, and our semicolon, and then close PHP. So if we were to go over to our view page, we could now do our PHP session underscore start, open close parentheses, semicolon, and let's put echo session in the brackets and single quotes name, semicolon, and then close. So this would show in the browser Jack, because we have that already put in. And since it's a session, we can access it anywhere on the website, even if it's not declared. So we don't need to start with include session. You can just call it anywhere. So session is very useful if you're using users and logins, which we are in our project. So let's see how this could be a little bit more applicable to our current project. So we're back to our model PHP page, and we have our PHP session underscore start, and we have session and username, but for ours it would be client name is equal to Jack, and close that. So in our view, we have our session underscore start, and we would put if is set session username, so in the parentheses, brackets, close that all, then we have our curly brackets, echo welcome, and concatenate session username, then else echo please log in. So this, if someone had logged in, it would say welcome Jack, and if someone had not logged in to a page where we would show this message, then it would say please log in. So hopefully this can be good information in what we are working on this week, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.